Hi, this is Rochelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working on my Dollar Tree planner setup for 2022. So for 2021, I started out actually using a Dollar Tree planner for myself, and then I kind of fell off, and someone suggested that I create spreads, fill the Dollar Tree planner, and give it away. And I thought that was an awesome idea. I really wish I could remember who gave me that suggestion. If it was you, let me know in the comments. That turned out really great, and I enjoyed decorating every week. So I am going to do this again. I have my 2022 Dollar Tree planner. So this is what they look like. They have them in different colors. This is the weekly. And as I mentioned in a recent live, I am going to go and look to see if I can find more of these for people that want them that don't have one. I'll be working on this setup as we go, kind of, because I'm doing something a little different. This is approximately B6 size, so it's like a B6 insert. It works in a traveler's notebook, a B6 size traveler's notebook. It works in the Walmart Pen and Gear traveler's notebook set. And I believe it also works in the one that was from Staples a while ago. We may play around with that later in the year, but for now I'm going to be using this cover that was sent to me in Happy Mail from Yolanda. I think it is a Moterm. It feels like a Moterm. Let's see. I don't see any markings, but it's very, very soft. Has lots of pockets. It also has a pocket here. So, and it's very nice. I love the feel of it. So I'm going to use this cover for now, since I don't need to put in a whole bunch of inserts or anything. This is really for like a B6 Stalogy, that style of notebook, but this is approximately the same size. It just has a thinner spine, so it will work. I'm going to go ahead and take the vinyl cover off. I won't be covering this immediately. If you want to know how to cover a notebook, I have several examples, and I will link them in the description box below, where you can see how, if you want to cover this, how you can cover it. I don't know what I was doing back when I was doing this, but I had ordered some clear covers from Printpression that are supposed to be B6 size that work with the Printpression planner. So I'm hoping that I can make this work with this planner, with this Dollar Tree planner. Then I also have a dashboard that I temporarily use as a cover. This dashboard is from COCO'S Vision. I laminated it. I'd had one of these in the pink Pen and Gear planner that I have, and I just had it in one of these sleeves similar to this, and it pulled the color off. So I decided I better laminate this time because I don't want anything to happen to it. So I'm just going to slide that in there. And we're going to hope for the best. I'm not sure this is going to go in this pocket once I put this in this cover, but we shall see. And again, I am eventually going to do something here. I just don't know what I want to do yet, so it's best that I leave it. Now it is a little large. The clear cover is a little large. There's a little room in there, but if you saw the 2021 planner, it grows, so I think I will need the space. It may look a little big now, but I think we'll need the space. Okay, so I think that is going to work for now. The clear cover kind of hangs down at the bottom, but I think I just kind of need to do a little adjusting. Got a little overhang, but it's not too horrible. And again, I think once I start filling it up, it's going to work great. So let's get a good look at it. That is what it looks like, and it's nice and soft, and it Feels nice. Okay, so this dashboard, of course, is not covering the entire space, but again, like I said, I'm going to be covering that. But this gets me started so that I can go ahead and dive into actually doing a weekly setup. I'm not sure I'm going to leave this deco pin in here. I got a feeling that's going to just be in the way because I won't be taking this in and out. At least I don't think I will. I'm trying to put as little wear and tear on it as possible. Okay, so how these Dollar Tree planners seem to work is that the first week is, for the last couple of years, is also in the previous planner. So this week I already did in the previous planner. So I may come back and do this one, but we're going to go ahead and start on the current week. And we're going to be doing the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. The prompt this week is fairy tale. So I found this digital graphic or clip art on Etsy by Frou Frou Craft. A lot of the Etsy shops had sales over the New Year holiday. So I got this at a fairly decent price. And so I decided I would use this for my fairy tale. I kind of wanted to have like a Frozen theme, but I didn't want to go Frozen. So I did not pull washi, but let's see what we got here. So I was thinking maybe I could use this. It's really a winter Christmas village theme from Simply Gilded. Then maybe I can use this ice blue. And I don't know if I can incorporate this one. I haven't used this one yet. So I think that is a start. And then since I'm using silvers, I may go ahead and mix in some of the gray boxes that I recently released to patrons, but I'm probably going to try and keep this very simple. This year, I kind of want to have a theme throughout, a look throughout. So I don't know how I'm going to accomplish that, but that's the goal. So let me just get into this. Then I also may pull some boxes from Colorful Boxes. Yes, I think I will have lots of silver in here. This is the original Colorful Boxes book. The blues aren't quite the same, but I don't think that matters that much. Got a few that I can use. Okay, before I get started, I pulled out this Pastel Christmas Hot Buy sticker book from Michaels before I put it in my Christmas vault, I guess you would call it. I'm going to use a few things from here. Even though this is Christmas, it has a lot of winter theme to it as well. So this will work out great. So that is everything that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music and do a time lapse, and I'll catch you on the other side. Alrighty, so that is it for this Dollar Tree planner spread. This is the first prompt in the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge. It was Fairy Tale. I used this digital graphic from Frou Frou Craft on Etsy, and then I used less washi tape than I anticipated, and then I added some that I didn't think I was going to use. The washi tape is all from Simply Gilded. The washi stickers are from this Hot Buy sticker book from Michael's Pastel Christmas, and I used a few boxes out of colorful boxes. This is the original, and I know I mentioned all of this in the beginning, but just want to make sure you know this one is from 2017. And then I used Days of the Week from the Agenda 52 Numbers and Dates book. This one is from 2020. This is a piece of vellum. I printed on it with my laser printer, for the sake of creating. I wanted to put something in this planner too. However, I used this foil, and I'm not sure that I know how to use this. So we might be playing around with this later. I'm not sure if that's coming through, but it's just a weird texture that it put all over the vellum. It didn't just stick to the toner from the laser printer. It stuck all over. So I don't know why that happened. So maybe this is more or something different than just your typical foil. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. I need to read this. It says matte blush heat activated foil. So I don't know if maybe that's why it was on clearance when I got it. I don't know. But I'm going to put this in here somehow. I mean, it's still pretty. It's just, it's not what I expected it to be. Maybe I can just slide it in there for now. And I think this year I'm going to actually put, like, this planner belongs to pages in here, and maybe try to do something with these extra pages in the front. We shall see. But that is it. That is the spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.